How's Lockport doing tonight? Yeah? We having a good time so far? Good. Because I came to Lockport for a reason tonight. I issued an open challenge to anybody in the R-Pro locker room who thinks they have the guts to get into this ring and take me down in a one-on-one singles match. And I'm talking anybody. I don't care how big and bad you are. If you think you have what it takes, I want you to come out to this ring. Because I came to Lockport, Illinois to kick somebody's ass. So whoever it is, bring it out. Let's see it.
Fans are really into the test of strength tonight.
Yeah, really liking that tonight. At one point, they also chanted, "We are quiet." So, interesting opinions tonight in Lockport, Illinois.
I have to tell you something, Sarah. While we're drawing attention to the hands, it looks like BD Smooth taped his other hand in white tape and then dipped it in some blue liquid somewhere.
Yeah, interesting.
Interesting and kind of terrifying.
Maybe he was grabbing some ice cubes out of the Gatorade jug.
Let's hope that's what it was. BD Smooth, again, I hate to use this twice, but he almost moving violations his way out of that test of strength.
Yep, very true.
Going in for the kiss.
Very coy moves tonight from BD Smooth. One of BD Smooth's favorites here.
Oh, looks like we're gonna go for the big shoulder tackle and see who's the stronger man.
Whoa!
The answer came a lot quicker than I thought it would.
Yeah. What else did you think was gonna happen?
We may see a John G's beatdown here, Sarah.
Oh boy. I love a good John G's beatdown.
Whoa. Tommy L ducks the clothesline. Finds one of his own, a flying clothesline that time. Now he seems to be stalking BD Smooth.
Whoa.
Oh man, what a big lung blower. We've never seen Tommy else use that. And a nonchalant cover, and yet he gets it.